I'm going to do a walk around on my new old truck. 1948 Chevy Thriftmaster with the 216 engine. New gas tank, new clutch disc, new cabin motor mounts, headliner, floor mat, repaired the seat, old Survivor, got a 1934 Cato Engineering service truck compressor on it. 1947 200 amp special Lincoln welder. It's gonna be my little fair weather driver. And wheel chocks, my parking brake doesn't work. This thing was parked in the winter of '76 and brought out back on the road 2018 last August by me. Has a safety inspection sticker 1976, expires in October. Got the title with it and the plate registration and the safety inspection paperwork. I had to rebuild the grill, it was damaged. Got the original engine, transmission, rear end, carburetor. Put new hoses on it. Like I said, new clutch disc, new front seal for the harmonic balancer. Just been fussing away with it. It's driving out pretty good right now. Got the original wiring. I've been changing wiring. I got all the wiring changed from the cab to the back. You can see the wiring is pretty bad. Next project is changing this front wiring out. Basically, I'm just fixing the insulation. I'm just shrink tubing the existing wire and a couple layers of shrink tubing. Can't hardly look at it without seeing a dent or rust or a scuff. Horn works, turn signals work. Heater works good. I've been through the heater. It is not for sale. I repeat, it's not for sale. Thriftmaster 216 heavy 3/4 ton. The stake sides are in the barn under blanket. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching my video.